Here's a good news for you Pakistanis that amid the chaotic situation in the Middle East and its subsequent consequences in the form of huge shortage of crude and Brent oil, the current government of Pakistan has taken steps, and through their constant diplomatic strategies they have secured enough storage for the crude and Brent oil that will be enough for the month of March and for the subsequent month of April. So there are various steps and regulations that needs to be taken and ensure that the crude oil or Brent oil or liquefied natural gas is becomes at your disposal as a basic commodity. The number one step is securing that maritime route or maritime trade route from where that oil will come in its crude or raw form. And this particular context, that maritime trade route is the Strait of Hormuz, which is owned, controlled, and right now blockaded by Iran or Tehranian authorities in the context of the Middle Eastern conflict, where US and Israel has waged an intense and unjustified war on Iran. The number second step that needs to be ensured in this regard, that the supply lines and ultimately the refineries from which this oil will come and get stored, that needs to be fully functional, operational, safe, and secure. And number third is the storage facilitation and installation. Number fourth, ensure or shall ensure the proper refinery or the proper refining of that crude or raw oil. And then it comes to the local petrol pumps and all the petroleum agencies. At the same time, there is one more fact that is worth mentioning, that the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority OGRA has evaluated recently that Pakistani government right now is absorbing this 69 billion Pakistani rupees subsidy on its own self and burdenizing the governmental exchequer, so to give relief to the needy and middle class people. And by the absorption of this subsidy of 69 billion Pakistani rupees, they are preventing the petroleum prices to hit 400 rupees, which are right now only 321 Pakistani rupees. We are eager to hear that your opinions and your guesses in the comment section below. Thank you.